रजत मैम को भी
मैम हटेगी ना सब हट जाएंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, what you have just heard was the fanfare heralding the arrival of the chief guest for the picnic ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, the reviewing officer, Lieutenant General R.P. Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Western Command has arrived.
देवियों और सज्जनों, निरीक्षण अधिकारी लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल आरपी सिंह, परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, जनरल ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ पश्चिमी कमान पधार चुके हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, we are a few moments away from witnessing a historic event in the life of the gentlemen cadets. You are presently seated in the North Campus of Indian Military Academy facing due south. The greens you see in front are the famed Nizam Pavilion, constructed in the year 1940. It has been named after Asaf Jah Nizam ul Mulk, the former ruler of worldwide princely state of Hyderabad. The pavilion was intended to provide dressing, changing and refreshment for the sports teams in Indian Military Academy. These green fields have witnessed and are testimony to several sporting events and have provided physical strengthening of the gentlemen cadets. Across the pavilion, beyond the boundary wall, is the National Highway 72, which will take you to the picturesque hill station of Chagrata. The pavilion is planned on its right side by another multi-storied state-of-the-art facility, the Hoshiar Singh Gymnasium. It was inaugurated on 9 February 2009 and is named after Major Hoshiar Singh, Paramveer Chakra. It is a multi-facility sporting complex cum gymnasium which also witnesses all the final sporting events of the academy. Behind you is the maroon-colored building, the indoor swimming pool, the plunge bar. If you look to your left, you will see the living accommodation of gentlemen cadets, a group of beautiful white buildings with closed lawns. They combine the essence of barracks and permanence and privacy of a hostel building. They are known as the Kingsley and Collins blocks, named after the first and second commandant of Indian Military Academy. You are presently seated in one of the 16 physical training sheds utilized for the all-round physical toughening of the gentlemen cadets. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are all aware, this solemn occasion was held in Somnath Stadium in the near past, with parents, family and friends participating in the momentous metamorphosis of these budding gentlemen cadets into complete officers. However, in the present circumstances, this fine ceremony has now been reverted back to the hallowed quarters of the Nizam Pavilion, befitting the grandeur of the event. Ladies and gentlemen, I now request Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Youth Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Commandant, Indian Military Academy, to address the gathering and the gentlemen cadets who have just passed out from the academy and announce the commencement of the pipping ceremony.
The reviewing officer, Lieutenant General R.P. Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, GOC&C Western Command, ladies and gentlemen. We are all here today to witness a memorable moment in the lives of these young gentlemen standing with pride in the sprawling lawns right across you. Just a few seconds from now, these young gentlemen will realize their cherished dream to which they've held on resolutely and committed themselves. Their pride, their joy and anticipation is evident, and so is ours, who have shared their effort and dream. Soon, these promising young men will become officers of the formidable Indian Army, and the gentlemen from the friendly foreign countries will join their respective armies as they take their first step into the folds of the military fraternity, ready to shoulder their responsibilities as guardians of the nation and serve the country with absolute sense of duty and pride. We too, who have been associated with these gentlemen, are filled with immense satisfaction to witness this glorious moment for which we have worked closely together. As these gentlemen cadets, after the pipping ceremony, they take their first step. Well, as I always tell you, that you will be more than lieutenants. You would be leaders and not just lieutenants. So on behalf of the reviewing officer, General R.P. Singh, PVSM, AVSM, VSM, GOC&C, Western Command, and all the ladies and gentlemen present here, I extend my heartiest congratulations to the newly commissioned officers. The pipping ceremony may commence now. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are requested to adjust your face mask properly and sanitize your hands by using the sanitizer placed near you before the pipping ceremony starts. Ladies and gentlemen, you will now witness the singular honor for the gentlemen cadets, wherein they will now be pipped by their battalion, company and platoon commanders and their wives. This is another historic moment in the history of Indian Military Academy, as the Gurus who have ensured flawless transition of their Shishya into complete officers now have the reciprocal honor of welcoming them into the olive green officer fraternity. Because of the ongoing pandemic, the parents of the newly commissioned officers could not be present here physically. However, the entire ceremony is being live streamed to enable the near and dear ones to see their hard work fructify, justifying the word of Kabir, who answered the eternal dilemma of the sister.
गुरु गोविंद दौं खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए।
हाँ शर्म करेगी। कट।
कैसे समझे?
All the officers are requested to go. Move back, please. All the commission officers are requested to move back to the respective places, please, along with the passing out course. All the gentlemen cadets from the passing out course are requested to move back to their respective places, please. All the newly commissioned officers are requested to please move back to the places, please.
Okay, gentlemen, I'll request all the IMA officers to please fall back. I'll request all the IMA officers to please fall back. Okay, gentlemen. Young officers and gentlemen, please be at your respective places. Thank you. All the gentlemen, be at your respective places. Thank you.